Mikko Sirén is the drummer for Finnish bands Apocalyptica and Megaphone. In 2013 he replaced Joe Letz as drummer of Emigrate. He also drummed for the Finnish rapper Cheek. He became part of Apocalyptica's live shows in 2003, but only became a full-time member in 2005 after over 200 concerts and a recorded album. Sirén has a degree in jazz music. In 2009 Sirén recorded the drums for Elias Viljanen on his third album, Firehearted. He also, along with bandmate Perttu Kivilaakso, composed music for the video game Max Payne 2, The Fall of Max Payne. Sirén lives in Helsinki. Sirén currently endorses Pearl Drums and Paiste. Formerly Zildjian, cymbals, Zildjian cymbals, 18FX Oriental China Trash. 14 a new beat hi-hats. 15 a heavy hi-hats. 10K custom dark splash. 17 a heavy crash. 18K crash ride. 18 a heavy crash. 19 a heavy crash. 20K ride. 20K custom dry ride. 19K custom hybrid China Paiste cymbals, 2015 present. Rude 18 China. Rude 17 Wild Crash Signature 8 Splash, stacked. Signature 10 Reflector Splash. 2002 15 Sound Edge Hi-Hats. Rude 18 Wild Crash. Masters 21 Medium Ride. Rude 19 Wild Crash. Rude 20 Power Ride. Rude 18 Novo China. References. External links. Photos of Mikko Sirén. Interviews with Mikko Sirén.